Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the next question. Question number 28 of NEET Physics paper 2017. Students, let us solve question number 28. If theta 1 and theta 2 be the apparent angles of dip observed in two vertical planes at right angle to each other, then the true value of the true angle of dip theta is given by. So angle of dip is the, suppose we have a Earth's magnetic field and this is the net magnetic field, and this one is the horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field and this is the vertical component of Earth's magnetic field. So this angle is basically the angle of dip. Okay, so this is given in terms of theta, so this theta is called angle of dip. So angle of dip is the angle made by the resultant magnetic field with respect to the horizontal magnetic field. So this angle is angle of dip. Now it says that if theta 1 and theta 2 be the apparent angles of dips observed in two vertical planes at right angles to each other. So let us have two vertical planes. Suppose this is plane 1 and this is plane 2. Two plane, this is one plane and this is another plane, and they are vertical to each other, just like that. The two planes, this is one, this is another, two planes are vertical to each other. If theta 1 and theta 2 be the apparent angles of dips, then I will write that if I have this I call theta, then this one is B1, and for the plane 2 this is my B2. Okay, this is B2 and this is B1. This is BH, and in this plane, if this is BH, then this component is BH cos theta, and this is 90 minus theta. So this is BH cos theta. So B1 is nothing but BH cos theta, and B2 is BH sin theta. Okay, so this is BH theta, this is BH cos theta, and this part is BH sin theta. So this BH is actually resolved into two perpendicular components, one along the plane 1 and another along the plane 2. Now tangent of theta 1 can be written as B vertical divided by B1. Okay, whatever is that vertical component divided by B1. Tan theta is this vertical component divided by this BV by B1, but BV will remain as it is, and B1 is we have just found BH cos theta. So from here, actually the answers are in terms of these equations. So cot square theta is cot square theta 1, it should be theta 1, and theta 2 tan square theta 1 theta 2 theta 1 theta 2, like this you have to write. So this is thus the relation you have to establish between cot theta 1, cot theta 2 and cot theta, tan theta 1, tan theta 2, tan theta, like that. So from here cot theta 1 will be, because I don't want this to be in the denominator, I want this in the numerator, so this will be BH cos theta divided by BV. Similarly, tangent of theta 2, this is for plane 2, tangent of theta 2 will be BV divided by B2, and that is BV divided by BH sin theta. So this implies that cot of theta 2 will be reciprocal of that, that is BH sin theta divided by BV. But as you can see here, if I take this identity, that is cot square theta 1 plus cot square theta 2, if I add these two, squaring and adding equation, these two equations, squaring and adding the above two equations, equation 1 and 2, what you will have, this is cot square theta 1 plus cot square theta 2. This is the left part. Similarly, the right part will be BH upon BV square cos square theta plus BH upon BV square sin square theta. This is common, and sin square theta cos square theta is 1. So this is BH upon BV the whole square. Okay. Now BH upon BV is nothing but that is cot square theta. So BH upon BV is cot theta. So you can write that what is cot theta? Cot theta is BH upon BV. If theta represents the true angle of dip, then from here I will write that you can complete this, and you can take any triangle. Suppose I take this triangle. What is tan theta from here? Tan theta is BV upon BH. So what is cot theta? Cot theta will be BH upon BV. So cot theta is BH upon BV. Squaring it, we have got cot square theta, which is BH upon BV the whole square. Substitute this BH upon BV whole square in this expression here. So this is replaced by cot square theta. So the equation will be this plus this cot square theta. So finally you will get cot square theta 1 plus cot square theta 2 equals to cot square theta. So if you do that, then option number 1 is the correct answer to this question. So this is option number 1. Okay, thank you.